Everybody knows that having a compressor on the job site is a must-have. But if you've been in this industry for any length of time, you know that most compressors sound about like this. Really loud, right? Well, this new model offers a much quieter option. If you get down here, you can actually see. You can't even hear it. That is amazing for so many different applications. It's great for me shooting television because it keeps our audio fantastic. What it's really great for is homeowners and your other coworkers working right beside you, so you can stay having those great conversations and keep your sanity.